Are your edges on vacation without you? It's time to reclaim your edges with rice milk. Why you may be experiencing hair loss, your diet, your environment, medications, heat damage, lack of vitamins and minerals, postpartum, and stress, just to name a few. If your edges are going on vacation without you, reclaim them with this DIY treatment. Benefits of rice milk. Hair growth. It's a repair mechanism. Gives hair moisture and bounciness. Strengthens and fortifies hair shaft. Softens curls damaged by heat. An amazing detangler. Gets rid of excess oils. If you would like to see the first two methods with rice water, I will link it above and below in the description area. To make rice milk, you will need the following materials: a blender or food processor, white or black rice, distilled water, small strainer, one large and small funnel, a measuring cup, a wooden spoon, a milk jar, a container, a clean cloth, blender method. Soak rice for 15 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. Repeat this process twice. Add 2 cups of warm distilled water to 1 cup of clean rice. Soak for at least 2 to 3 hours. Then extract the rice. Discard the water. Add clean rice to the blender with 2 cups of distilled water. Blend well for 3 to 5 minutes. Then strain the mixture with a clean cloth. Sift the entire mixture. Now you have rice milk. Strain into your jar. The end result. Apply from root to ends. Wait 20 minutes, then rinse. Food processor method. Soak 1 cup of black organic rice for 15 minutes. Rinse thoroughly. Repeat this process twice. Add 2 cups of warm distilled water. Soak 2 to 3 hours. Then extract the rice. Discard the water. Add rice to the food processor with 2 cups of distilled water. Blend well 3 to 5 minutes. Strain the mixture. These are your results without using a cloth. Apply mixture from root to ends. Wait 20 minutes, then rinse. Which method have you tried? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe for more natural remedies. Click the bell to receive all new posts. Give us a like. Comment below. Share this video.